Hello, I am Robert, and you're welcome here in my busy little shop. On today's episode of What's on My Workbench, I've finished up my pre-work for the class that I'm taking with Aaron Heizer on Wednesday, and I am en route to Pendleton as we speak. So if you see me there, flag me down and say hi. I'm going to be in Aaron's class on Thursday. Friday I'll be at the trade show, and Saturday I'm in a drawing class there as well. And then I have to hit the road and head home. So if you see me, flag me down, say hi. I'd like to meet a few of my viewers out there. I appreciate you taking time to watch my video today. Please like, share, and subscribe. But more importantly, I hope you have a great day.